Welcome back with Cooking with Chef Ryan. Today we're going to be making a pumpkin soup. It is a Halloween theme that we're going to go with today. Let's just jump right into this. So for this recipe, you're going to need a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 cups of diced onions, tablespoon of black pepper, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 4 cups of chicken stock, 3 cups pumpkin puree, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 3/4 teaspoon kosher salt, and 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. And to top it all off with 2 tablespoons of about freshly chopped parsley. So to start off this recipe, first we're going to add the olive oil. We add it to a hot pan. Next, we're going to add the onions. We want to saute these onions till they're nice and translucent, or where they just start to brown.
While that's going, what's your favorite Halloween movie?
Halloween movie? Scary movie? I think the first movie that ever freaked me out was the one with Bruce Campbell.
Evil Dead?
Evil Dead. Yeah, that freaked me out. The new It is actually really good. I remember the old one. Nightmare on Elm Street, the original one, when it came out in the theaters, scared everybody. Jaws. Oh, the one that really freaked me out was Friday the 13th, because we were going camping that weekend. And it was right after I saw the movie, and I was scared. I wouldn't leave my tent. Just put it like that, I stayed in the tent. Now that we have the onions nice and translucent, starting to brown a little, what we're gonna add next is garlic, because we want that savory smell in the air. We want that savoriness part of this pumpkin soup. It doesn't take very long for the garlic to cook. It will burn if you're not careful. The next what we're going to add is black pepper. Next we're going to add is thyme. We're going to stir those right in there. Now that everything has come together, we have a nice, beautiful sauteed beginning here of a soup. What we're gonna add next is our chicken stock. And when we add that, we want that to come up to a boil. Don't move anything because everything looks good. Now that our stock has come up to a boil, the next thing we're gonna add is our pumpkin puree. Now that we've incorporated the pumpkin into the soup, what we're gonna add next is gonna be the maple syrup, the cinnamon, and the nutmeg. We got this wonderful smell coming. It smells like a fresh pumpkin pie in the oven right now. Next thing we're gonna add is salt, and then we're gonna add the heavy cream. That way it has that nice, smooth soup consistency that we want. And it's gonna lighten up your soup. It's gonna give it that pumpkin pie look. Now that our soup has all the ingredients, we're only missing one more ingredient. We're gonna add the parsley right here at the very end. Once we add the parsley, all we need to do is stir it up, serve us up some wonderful soup, and enjoy a great horror movie. That's how you make pumpkin soup. So if you have any suggestions for our upcoming Thanksgiving video or another video that you would like to see, put them in the comments below. And as always, remember, it's a great day to be a zebra.